So the C8 Z06 is looking pretty good, especially with all the upgraded carbon fiber we did with the front bumper. But today we're gonna install one of my favorite pieces on the new Z06, and it's actually something I had on my old Stingray. So let's get started with this video. So thanks for tuning in today, guys. So like I said, we have installed quite a bit of carbon fiber in the front of the C8 Z06, and it looks freaking phenomenal. But that being said, there's one piece that I am actually really looking forward to putting on, and it used to be on my old Stingray. And it's frankly the one piece that I kept from my Stingray. One, because it's interchangeable and you could put it on a Z06 or an Eray for that matter. But secondly, yeah, it's one of my favorite pieces. But before I show that piece to you guys, I just want to show you kind of what we still have in mind and plan for the Z06. Some of them are a little bit more obvious to see what they are, like the Euro tail lights that I'm planning to put on the Z06 that are gonna look really good. To new sponsors that I'm just gonna put it out there, that we have Solar Performance now part of the New Horizon channel, Mods for Cars, and then we have things like my new vinyl that's come in from Avery Dennison. And that, guys, I am really excited to share with you guys when it gets to that point that, you know, I can install these things because they all take time to put it together. And yeah, I only have limited amount of time because I still have a regular job, even though I wish I could be doing YouTube all the time. So all of those videos are gonna be coming soon. The product reviews, some of them have how-to videos that we're gonna do. So all of them are really excited to share on the channel. If you're interested and you haven't subscribed yet, I definitely encourage you to subscribe because there's a lot of great content all coming for this Z06. But with that being said, let's take a look at what I got here in regards to what we're installing today for the Z06. So with that, it is my carbon fiber hood from my old Stingray. It is the carbon fiber hood, is the GT3R hood that you can get from Extreme online store. Guys, this is one of my favorite carbon fiber pieces on my Stingray. And when I was looking to sell my Stingray and look to get into the Z06, I knew this piece I was gonna keep with me and add on because this is, again, interchangeable between either the Stingray, the Z06, or the Eray. They all have the same dimensions in regards to the front hood. So that's something to keep in mind if you're actually interested in this product. By the way, I did a full review of this part as well as just a how-to install. It's actually really, really easy. The only big thing about it is that you probably need a second set of hands just to kind of hold it in place as you're installing it. So I'll link that video though if you're interested in learning more about it. This video is more of a general update and kind of install this on the Z06 because with the front bumper now having all that beautiful carbon fiber, it's kind of time to put this back on. So with that being said, let's get this installed on the Z06. Alright guys, so we have finished installing the carbon fiber hood on the Z06 and it looks really, really freaking good. Honestly, it is one of those things, at least for me personally, because I like a very aftermarket racy type look, it really completes the front of the Z06. I mean, I thought it looked good on my old Stingray when I had it on there. It looks even better on the Z06 and I am just absolutely in love with it. And again, the process of installing it, as you saw in the video, is really quick and easy and straightforward. I do have a full how-to install. If you're curious on how that process goes, it's really, really simple. It's only 4 bolts to actually hold the hood in place, and then the latch bolt that has to be taken from your OEM hood to install it on there. Very, very easy kind of install. Definitely something you can do at home, so long as you have an extra set of hands. And also, if it's not apparent, there have been a few updates in the garage that I am going to be also sharing in a future video. The garage makeover has been coming along super, super nicely, and I am so excited to share it with you guys. It is an upcoming video, the whole process with including these floors and all the different accessories that have been added, and that's not even all of it yet. There's still more coming, actually. So in any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.